Hi, my name is Najla Harris.
Hi, my name's Ali Steelman.
Hi, my name's Cameron Johnson.
Hi, my name is Zaria King.
Hi, my name is Kirsten Tenpenny.
And this is our light and sound project Beyond Sushi.
So our concept for this project is to look back on the past while incorporating the present. The driving factor for this project is to highlight the contrast between traditional and modern design. We incorporated materials such as lighter woods from previous sushi restaurants and manipulated it into a newer, more modern aspect such as wood cladding.
Layer 1, this is where we show the lighting effect in yellow. This layer introduces the cast of lighting within the space. Most of the lighting comes from choices of diffusers, outside HID, recessed, and halogen lighting, as well as showing a little effect of natural light.
Also on this layer, we use the circles to show the sight line of the occupants to help define the placement of lighting.
So layer 2, this layer defines lighting by the mood it creates. Our goal is to provide a comfortable and intimate environment. Highlighted in yellow, show the feeling of comfortable and intimacy is shown through wall grazing, wall washing, and wall-mounted luminaires, as well as daylighting.
For layer 3, we wanted to accent different areas of the restaurant. This is achieved by accenting art, accenting different vertical spaces, and lighting of different gathering spaces.
Layer 4 shows the relationship between light and architecture. So the light and the luminaires from the luminaires reveal specific details like texture, and it can be achieved with spotlighting, wall-mounted luminaires, wall grazes, and other techniques.
So for dining room 1, we chose ceiling downlighting to go in between the wood ceiling panels, and bamboo pendants are placed above the tables and bar area. The purpose of the luminaires selected are to create a feeling of privacy while keeping the space open.
Lighting distribution for dining area 2 carries some of the same elements in dining area 1. We use the same bamboo pendant throughout the space, and as well as a wall pendant to add a little bit more lighting, as well as a linear pendant that centers in two of the main seating areas, as well as using concrete that was given from the floor plan, as well as wood and a baby blue fabric.
For dining room 3, the light distribution, we also have the pendant lighting carried out throughout the rest of the restaurant. And then we have recessed lighting to add extra support light throughout the space. And then materials used were similar materials used throughout the rest of the restaurant.
For the lighting for the bathroom, the lights were selected to continue with our concept, allowing the flush mount, and recessed lighting, along with the materials, to resemble certain things connected to Japanese culture, like bamboo and the bamboo forest.
The specification sheet brings all the lighting fixtures within the restaurant together. It shows the size, weight, as well as the illuminating effect within each lighting source. And this is just the information of the material is made off, the effect it will give, and the manufacturer on the specification sheet.
So for our lead credit for interior lighting, we have option 1, which is to promote occupants' productivity, comfort, and well-being by providing high-quality lighting. And we did this through having ambient luminaires in the dining rooms that have dimming switches that can be controlled by guests if they wish to have more or less light.
The vault credit we chose was number 8, occupant control of lighting environments. It implements a lighting strategy that takes into account personal preference of the guests. So the guests have control of the lights and can dim or increase them to their liking.
So for the ambient lighting and luminance calculation, Using the formula provided, I calculated that the space needs approximately 43 luminaires to have sufficient illuminance level.
For the total watt and LPD calculations, the two main lights we selected were the bamboo lighting and the recessed light. And the total quantity of the bamboo is 25. The total quantity of the recessed lighting is 7. And the total watts of the bamboo pendant lighting is 225. And the total watts of the recessed light is 700.
All of these lightings are found within our space, so they're in every location. The site area for the bamboo pendant light is 5,000, as well as for the recessed lighting. The LPD for the bamboo pendant is 0.05, and the LPD for the recessed light is 0.14.
For the reflected ceiling plan, this incorporates all the luminaires. So pendant lighting, as shown, is incorporated in every single dining area. And for the dining room 1, the pendant is attached to the wooden ceiling panels as well as concrete ceiling panels in dining room 1 and 2. And the symbol legend is on the right.
In the bottom left is a elevation of the booth seating in dining room 3.
On the right of that is an elevation showing the bamboo lighting over the bar in dining room 1.
For the electrical lighting plan, this is a floor plan showing each zone and the affected area of control. For zone A, the control is placed by the door, as well as zone B on the right-hand side. Zone C is placed by the door as well. As the entrance comes in, guests can control the lighting, as well as zone E for the bathroom area is controlled by the front, as well as zone D. The control lighting refers to the aspect of light control systems within this design space. We will be using pendant and recessed lighting that you've seen before in our presentation that are controlled by dimmers. The dimmers are placed 2.5 inches, placed away from the door and walls. However, having a 4-inch maximum height for accessibility, most of the lightings are placed in convenient spots of accessible walls and near door entrances.
The lighting schedule was created to show a detailed list of the selected luminaires, their controls, and their installation details.
So these are the renderings for dining room 1. Highlighted is the pendant lighting in the seating area as well as the effect of natural lighting inside of the restaurant.
Dining area 2, like dining area 1, shows the example of lighting from the pendants, as well as bringing in natural lighting and showing the effect it has within this space, and as well as showing the natural light effect from the skylight of the bar area.
This is dining room 3's rendering, showing the pendant lighting for each individual table space and also the natural light that you get in from the glass wall.
These are the renderings for the bathroom. It shows the material selected and the recessed lighting and the pendant lighting in the ceiling.
It's important to ensure acoustical comfort in a space. So here is a table of WELL standards of the average and max sound pressure levels, and the background noise levels should not exceed these thresholds.
For dining room 1, the acoustical constraints include the dining area located near the front door, so sound may leak from the outside in, and also sound traveling from other areas of the restaurant.
Dining area number 2, just like dining area 1, it has a sound carrying, acoustical constraint of sound carrying from other areas of the restaurant, as well as being close to the kitchen and the outside eating area, which can be unlikely to have low-pitched noises.
The acoustical constraints for dining room 3 would be the carried sounds from other parts of the restaurant. And the required sound quality for all 3 of these dining rooms is going to be 2 of the 3 total points of audible sound, which is between 55 and 65 SPL.
The acoustical constraints of the bathroom being that the bathroom in that space is smaller, partnered with the materials, the hard materials selected on the floor and the counter space, along with each stall being an individual stall, the sound is echoic and reverberant. And the required sound quality of said space contains about 1 of the 3 total points of the audible sound, ranging between 55 and 80 SPL.
So for dining area 1, some acoustical solutions to improve the space include insulating the ceilings to diffuse sound coming from the restaurant, as well as possibly incorporating carpet in high traffic areas such as the front of the house.
For dining area 2, the acoustical solution to some of the problems within the space is to include some sound absorption products and materials that soak up sound, such as sound clouds. Also including partitions that separate conversation and space of the other dining areas.
A solution for dining area 3 would be to have softer materials to absorb sound and also insulate the ceiling, absorbing these sounds.
One of the better solutions for the bathroom would be to integrate an acoustic cloth designed to double as soundproofing between the wall cladding systems. Thank you.